folks, I have a little Scout ukulele to show you today. Number 877. I'm working on this one all winter, it feels like. I'm just glad to get it done. I make these little Scouts from scraps in the shop when I have time, and sometimes it feels like I should have more time to get these done, but this winter I just haven't. But anyway, back to this one. The back and sides are some beautiful, crazy, knotty, curly myrtle. The top is Orford cedar with bird's foot purfling. It's a cedar neck. It's a piece of reclaimed cedar. It's pretty rustic. I like how it looks and feels for a neck. And the rest is walnut. Kind of crazy, gnarled grain in the walnut too. It's got bone nut and saddle, fluorocarbon strings. It's got strap buttons, geared tuners. And these go out to a little email list of folks waiting for them every time I finish one. Yeah, it's a good one. These come with a nice backpack case too. So yeah, this one's off to the list, number 877. Cheers.